I'm going to be picking up a Trailblazer 2006 all-wheel drive SS rolling shell from a guy who got it from the auction, but like literally got it and didn't touch it and already selling it the next day. So I'm going to check that out today, see how that goes. Just cleaned it out. All these fucking wires is crazy. But it's been sitting, obviously. Let me move this light around. Got that clean. Vacuumed it out. Mind you, I have all these car parts. This is everything it came with. Grill, radiator, a couple little parts. I guess whatever they didn't want to steal while they were taking their time, obviously. That's what I figured out. Let me put this back. There we go. All right, everything is coming out clean. Take the body module control. You can't really see it because of the light. I cleaned the seats, but cleaned all this out back here. So everything's coming along good. Coming along good. Everything's clean. Just left this guy from picking up some seats. I don't know what happened to his truck, but he gave me a nice set with no rips. I'll have a clear video in a minute. So these are seats that I ended up buying. The SS suede. Got no rips. I just did that. Should look way better compared to this. Now, I believe from what I looked up, these are from this truck is a 2SS, and the seats that I just got with the suede are from a 3SS. Learned something new. Gotta clean it out, rip these out, take these parts back out and separate them one more time. I'll be good. Just gotta roll these windows up too. That's the damage that they done. Still in the truck. Whew, after a couple of minutes, probably like 30 minutes, I finally got them all out. Gotta vacuum all of this up now. Those are all the parts from yesterday. I'm about to take all that out and separate them for what they're for. And vacuum all this up right now. Vacuumed it all out at once again. There, I took the seats out. About to take that out. I get a motor mount, got one. I get the other, it looks like. Smashed everything out quick, cut the wires, I'm gonna replace everything. Transmission lines. Gotta get a headlight. I'm actually gonna get two for sure. Take this grill off, it's not bolted or this, but I just put this on so I wouldn't have to keep letting it fall on my head. This is all-wheel drive, you see it, the extra dry shaft. About to learn a lot. Stay tuned. Got some meaty tires all around. Oh, wash this. Cut all the badges off. Too much. Gotta wash this thing. Wiped it down a couple times. I didn't even realize these wheels are kind of chrome. Came out clean once I washed them. Looking good, B. This was another little big damage mark. I gotta get some work done too. Another badge gone. Windshield wipers gone. Headlight gone. Got the grill. Right here. Badge is gone. Came out pretty clean. Very clean. Gotta peel that sticker off. I know some people's probably like, this dude is crazy, but I don't like having dirty cars, especially when I get a new car. I love to clean it out, take everything out and go over it and make sure there's nothing in here that don't need to be in here, and to also be clean. You want to know what's in your car at all times. Can't wait to get this going. Also did the Carfax on my phone. This car has 90,000 miles from last year around November when this car was stolen, I believe, from the Carfax. That's what it has on there. But no key, no anything, but we're gonna get all that soon. I'm gonna throw the seats in now. Actually need to vacuum these things before I even put them in the car. Maybe I can throw them in and vacuum it. It's only really displayed. This is nice. Center console is nice. That's better than I thought. It's totally worth it. It's clean. One seat in. It's looking good already. Nice suede. I don't want to dirty them with my dirty hands, but it's gonna come out looking nice. I wish I had SS on the back for the rear, but we all can get what we want. Back part in. These things look amazing, man. Compared how it was when I first got it, and then the guy I got it from got it straight from the auction from IA, like I got my Camaro and never touched anything. So technically, I cleaned it out as if I got it from the auction. And this is a hell of a transformation. And you have it. Got the complete rear seats in. Looks nice with the suede, the leather. Trying to give you guys a better view from far, but I'm about to clean them as soon as I clean all this up. As soon as I get the other two in, give them a full wipe down. Looks so much better now. A complete car. Yeah, it's only like 4 bolts on each seat. It's nice. Pockets. Rather use this to clean. Finish wash. Gotta get that sticker off. I'm tripping, man. Super clean. Cleaned all the seats, vacuumed it. Dashboard shining. I'm so glad it has a sunroof. Perfect. Everything's clean. This is a big transformation than what it was. I'll tell you that much. Looks nice. Just gotta get this center console put in. I'm gonna do that soon. And that's pretty much it. Been looking up stuff more and more. Main concern is getting that motor once we get that, we're in the game. Progress already. It's barely been 24 hours. It's looking nice. Another Copart truck for the win. Copart build. Got me some more wheels for the Camaro. The limo tent that came with some tickets very quick. It's under the car. Got the spare tire. Got a Floor Master. Comes down to one pipe right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but that's what it is now. Change suspension for sure, upgrade all that.